In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom management reports in Xero. If you've been looking to tailor your financial reporting to fit your business's unique needs, you're in the right place. The process is fairly straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to convert raw data into meaningful insights that reflect the essence of your business operations. Let's start by navigating to the reporting section. To find this, look at the top navigation bar of your Xero dashboard, where you'll see a section labeled Reporting. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will unveil a menu with several options. From these, you'll want to select All Reports. This brings you to an expansive list of report types, neatly categorized for your convenience. Among the array of reports, you'll notice the Management Report listed. Click on this option, and Xero will begin to generate the report for you. It might take a little time as the system compiles your data, so we'll have a short wait here. Patience is key, especially if you have a large amount of data. Once the report is ready, it will display a comprehensive view of your data. Now comes the exciting part, customizing the report to align with what you want to analyze. At the top of the report screen, you will see a variety of tools and options. These are designed to allow you to tailor what parts of the data are displayed and how they are formatted to provide the insights you need. Adjust these selections to your preference. For instance, you might want to filter out certain data streams, adjust the time frame of the report, or change how the data is grouped. Remember, every change you make won't reflect automatically in the view until you click the Update button. So, as you configure the settings, make sure to click Update each time you want to see how your choices impact the report's appearance. After customizing the report to your satisfaction, it's time to save this version for future use. Saving your report is easy. Look for the Save As option, which allows you to preserve this tailored version of the report. Click on Save As, then choose Custom to ensure it's stored as a custom report. This way, you won't need to recreate this setup each time. Instead, you can simply run your tailored report whenever it suits you. And that's really all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully created a custom management report in Xero, transforming your financial data into actionable insights that can guide business decisions effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and happy reporting with Xero.